Hey, what's up guys, this is Art and I got some exciting news. First of all, I'm releasing my newest piece of software called Traffic Xtractor Ultimate tomorrow. That will be a Friday, the 8th of February at 10 a.m. Eastern, and you can win a free copy. So that's the second amazing piece of news. Now, what this software does, it allows you to get on page one of Google and page one of YouTube at the same time with a few clicks. And in a second, I'm going to show you a full demo. So this is actually an updated version of the software. We released it already. Users that already got it are absolutely loving it. They are using it. They are getting massive results. You're gonna see all the testimonials from actual real users on the sales page. So as always, I'm going to show you the sales page, the inside of the members area. I'm going to actually show you how it works live right here in this video. So this will be a live demo, and I will tell you how you can win a free copy in the end of this video. All right, so let me share my screen and show you the sales page first. As you can see, it says Traffic Xtractor Ultimate, page one of Google and YouTube in minutes. Software, get as much free traffic as you want with a few clicks of your mouse. So this is exactly what it does. We got some super fresh proof from January 2019. As you can see, multiple videos ranked on the first page of both Google and YouTube in minutes. So we got 6 minutes ago, 3 minutes ago, 5 minutes ago, 18 minutes ago. This is super simple and you will see results instantly. So obviously this works with any niche. So when you're dealing with Google and YouTube, you can rank for any keyword. So local keywords, make money online keywords, any kind of a niche. I went after like wine niche keywords right here as well. Social media, whatever you want to rank for, you will rank for. So myself, Declan McNamara, and Alex Krulik, we are the trio behind this product. And obviously you can do this manually, but it will take you hours, and the software does this in minutes. So super cool. Obviously we're gonna have a full, some testimonials from people. We have a ton of different keywords that we already ranked for. And Traffic Xtractor Ultimate, this is the name of the product, and this is my review and demo for you. So as you can see, we got the real life customers, some testimonials from them right here. I'm going to show you the inside in a second, but you're going to get the software, video training, over the shoulder case studies, and all the bonuses. So some more testimonials. We're going to have a full demo right here, but I'm going to show you the demo also right now. We added some new features to it. Obviously, we got some more proof, bonuses. We got a cheat sheet, the marketing guide, special report, Facebook Mastermind, and Tube Traffic Avalanche, which is why W's of the Day awarded course all about YouTube, 30 days money back guarantee, and that's it. So this is the sales page. This is what you'll see on the sales page, and the inside looks like this. So first of all, you're gonna have to download and install it. You're gonna do it right here. You can run it on both PC and Mac, and then we are adding the case studies, fresh case study for January 2019, then also all the video training, as you can see, troubleshooting videos, bonus SEO training. This is like an hour-long video. We got additional case studies. So in total, you're getting 5 real-life case studies with it. As I mentioned, Tube Traffic Avalanche, which is my W's of the Day marketing, YouTube marketing course, and all of the bonuses. So video SEO cheat sheet, Traffic Xtractor marketing guide, Traffic Xtractor hangout special report, and we got some extra bonuses on top of these ones. All right. So before I'm going to show you the demo, I just wanted to show you all of the upsells as well. So as you can see, Traffic Xtractor will be $27, and if you're going to show up early tomorrow on the 8th of February, Friday at 10 a.m. Eastern, you can snatch it for just $23.95, crazy low price. And then OTO number one, $47. This is a massive done for you package, which will include done for you videos, so you don't even have to shoot any videos. OTO number two, $197. This is an unlimited traffic package. OTO number 3 will be either $197 or $97, and this is a reseller's license, which means that you can sell this product as your own and keep 100% of the profits. And OTO number 4, this is an additional software bundle, which you're going to be getting 3 additional pieces of software for the price of 1. So as always, OTOs are optional. You'll be fine with the main product alone, but this is something optional that you'll make your life a little bit easier. All right. So right now, let me show you the Traffic Xtractor demo. This is what you will see after you install it and after you will do the keyword research. So you can type in any keyword you want. In this particular run, I went with the make money online keyword. So as you can see, first of all, Traffic Xtractor will come up with all the related keywords. So everything that starts with A, B, C, D, etc. So we got make money online Australia, make money online app, etc. And then when it gets super powerful is it also will find YouTube competition, which means that you will know exactly which keywords have competitions and which ones don't have. So the magic happens right here. We're going to click on apply filter. Then we're going to do monthly searches is greater or equal to 50. Suggested bid, we're going to leave that blank, and YouTube competition is less or equal to 2. We will apply this filter, and as you can see, we are only stuck with videos that are getting over 50 searches and they have 0 competition, 1 video competition, or 2 videos in competition, which means that if you'll just pick this keyword and upload a video, you will instantly go to the first page of Google, to the first, second, or third position. So no SEO, no backlinks, nothing. You don't need to do anything apart of naming your videos with the keyword, adding it to the description and text, and that's it. You will be instantly on the first page of Google and YouTube because one video will get you both rankings. So instant traffic, instant free traffic, instant rankings. So you know, just pick the keywords that make sense. So for example, you know, obviously you can go for the ones that have the most amount of searches. So this one has 1,600 searches per month, quick cash jobs with 0 YouTube competition. So you can just give it a try right now, you know, record a video, call it quick cash jobs, upload it to YouTube and see if you will rank, and you will rank definitely. So, and you will be getting 1,600 visitors per potential visitors per month. So this is the power of the software. Page 1 of both Google and YouTube in minutes, with no backlinks, with no social media signals, nothing. You just have to upload the video and bam, you are done. This can be even a 1-minute video you could record on your smartphone. It can be a done for you video from the audio number 1. Whatever it is, it will rank for you and generate you a ton of free traffic and ton of sales. All right, so I hope you see the power behind it. This is an amazing piece of software. People are using it already, so we know, we have the proof. We know it works. I use it with my own videos, so you can get a ton of free traffic and get on page 1 of Google and YouTube in any niche. All right. If you want to win a free copy, please do me a favor and do 4 things. First of all, you have to be watching this on YouTube. So if you are on my blog, click the link below and go to YouTube. On YouTube right now, like this video, subscribe to this channel, click on the bell for notifications, and leave me a comment, which will be a testimonial. And what I will do is I will take the totality of the people that did that, and 10% will be winners, which means that if 100 people will do these 4 things, 10 people will win a free copy, right? So again, please like this video, subscribe to this channel, click on the bell for notifications, and leave me a comment, which is a testimonial, and I will be picking 10% of the people that did it. They will win a free copy, and I will be announcing the free copy winners 5 minutes before Traffic Xtractor Ultimate will be going live, which is again tomorrow on the 8th of February at 9:55 a.m. Eastern. So the winners will be announced 5 minutes before. At 10 a.m. Eastern we are going live, and even if you won't win, you can still grab it with an early bird discount and get thousands of visitors per month with very little work. All right, so guys, I hope you see the power behind it. I know that you will generate tons of free traffic with it. You're gonna get a ton of your videos on both page 1 of Google and YouTube, and I will see you tomorrow at 10 a.m. when we will be going live. Ciao.